Attention, all dog lovers! Are you tired of feeling like you're not on the same page as your furry best friend? Do you wish you could understand your pup's moods and needs better? Well, fear not, because today we're gonna learn how to speak dog. Woof woof. Just like humans, dogs have their own way of communicating with us through their body language. And let me tell you, they're not shy about expressing their emotions. But deciphering their communication clues can be a bit tricky. But don't worry, Chicken Wing. Understanding your pupp's physical cues is easier than you think. From their wagging tails to their perked up ears, your dog is giving you plenty of cues about their mood and what they need from you. So let's start with the tail. Is it wagging like crazy? Then your pup is probably feeling playful and excited. But is it tucked in between their legs? Then they might be feeling scared or uncomfortable. And if it's raised and tremoring, watch out! Because they might be challenging your authority. Next up, let's talk about the eyes. Dog's eyes can tell you a lot about how they are feeling. Are they open wide and alert? They might be trying to get your attention or challenge you into a duel. And if they're squinting or winking at you, they're feeling playful. But if they're blinking and squinting frequently, it would be a sign of an eye issue, so make sure you take them to the vet. Let's talk about your dog's ears. The ears may be a bit more subtle. However, they're very important in understanding your dog's mood. If the ears are pulled back against their head, they're probably feeling scared. And if they put one ear down, it could be a reaction to an unfamiliar environment. Let's not forget about the face. A yawn might mean your dog's probably tired, but it could also be a sign of nervousness in a new environment. And if they're licking their own face, it could be a sign of stress. But if they're showing their teeth without barking or snarling, they're probably just protecting their territory. Last but not least, let's talk about your dog's stance. If they expose their belly to you, they're showing their trust. And if they put their face or paw on your knee, they're asking for attention. However, if they shake their entire body, it is only to relieve tension and stress, similar to after a bath. So there you have it, bada bing, bada boom, baby. By paying attention to your dog's physical cues, you'll be able to understand their emotions and communicate better with them. And who knows, maybe you'll become a dog whisperer in no time. Thank you for the love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow us for more woofity woof woofs. See you soon.